Need to add a missing row in the middle of your Excel list? I will show you how to insert one row, multiple rows, and where Excel places the new row. Before we click anything, remember the simple rule. Excel inserts the new row above the row you select. In this example, the product ID is 102, then 104. So we missed the product ID number 103. It means that we want to insert one row before row 5. So if I want a blank row above row 5, I need to select row 5 first. The selected row will move down. Now right-click the selected row number. Then click Insert. Excel adds a blank row above the row you selected, and the rows below move down automatically. Now you can type the missing information. For example, in the ID 103, product, category, sale price, region, and date of sale. You can also insert a row from the Home tab. Again, start by selecting the row number. Go to Home tab. In the Cell group, click Insert. Then choose Insert Sheet Row. This does the same thing. Excel inserts a blank row above the selected row. To insert multiple rows, select the same number of rows you want to add. For example, in the product ID, number 101, 102, then 106. So we may miss product ID number 103, 104, and 105. That means that I need to add 3 new blank rows. So I have to select 3 row numbers. Then right-click one of the selected rows number and choose Insert. Excel adds the same number of blank rows above your selection. There is also a useful keyboard shortcut. Click a cell in the row, then press Shift Space to select the full row. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and plus. Excel inserts a new row above the selected row. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to insert multiple rows. Again, select any cell, then click Shift Space. Hold Shift. Click the down arrow if you want to insert 3 rows, then you select 3 rows. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and plus. Excel insert 3 rows above the selected row. One common mistake is right-clicking inside a cell instead of selecting the full row. If Excel shows a small insert box or the result is not what you expected, cancel it and select the row number first. For beginner, selecting the row number is the safest way to insert full row. Quick recap. Select the row number where the new row should appear above. Right-click and choose Insert. Or use Home, Insert Sheet Rows. To add multiple rows, select multiple row numbers first. Remember, Excel adds new rows above your selection. Continue improving your Excel data skills with the Working with Data in Excel playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.